To run ads on TikTok, start by visiting the TikTok for Business website, where you can grow your business with TikTok ads. To begin, click on the link provided and select Get Started. You will then need to create an account or sign up with your existing TikTok account. Next, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and opt in to receive emails if desired. After clicking Continue, you will be prompted to complete a simple verification step, and then confirm your email address by entering the code sent to your email. Following this, select your industry, business name, and enter your mobile number. You can search for your industry or choose from the available options, and then select a subcategory. For example, you can choose e-commerce and then jewelry. After entering your mobile number, agree to the terms of service, advertising terms, and TikTok payment terms. With your account set up, you can start running ads on TikTok. First, set up your billing information, which may include adding your VAT number and company registration number. Although this is optional, it is recommended to set up automatic payments to avoid having to pay manually each time you want to run ads. Next, go to the Ads Manager, where you can choose between basic or advanced ads. Starting with basic ads is recommended, as TikTok's algorithm will handle the ad creation process. You will then need to complete 4 steps: setting your goal, selecting your audience, setting your budget, and creating your ads. For your advertising goal, choose the option that best aligns with your business, such as website conversions for an e-commerce website. Then, verify your identity and connect a pixel to track conversions. Proceed to select your target audience by choosing a location, demographics, interests, and behaviors. For example, you can target females in the United Kingdom with an interest in apparel and accessories. After selecting your audience, choose where you want to show your ads, which in this case is TikTok. Then, set your budget, starting with a smaller amount to test the effectiveness of your ads. You can launch multiple ads with different targeting options to see which performs best. Finally, create your ad by uploading your video and launching it. The process is relatively simple, and by following these steps, you can start running ads on TikTok.